front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then select App Cloner. Click on grey switcher next to one of your available apps you wish to clone and wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can always hold it like a regular app and hit uninstall. Or go back to the same settings and tap on blue switcher right next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!